Have a look into this video, how to remove the background in Premiere Pro. So typically removing the background is something you're going to want to do. And if we look at this clip, for instance, you can see that we have a background that's got some lime, it's got some slightly darker green, some slightly lighter green. So what we need to think about then is that we're going to need to key out the colors, right? So we might want to key out, say, like a lighter green and then a darker green. And we can actually see, I actually did one here. So it's a little bit, I'm just going to remove, I was just messing around with some of the effects on this one. So just to make this a little bit clearer, I'm just going to remove this thing. Okay, so you can see what I've done here. I've got two Ultra keys here. And if we take a look at the Ultra keys I've chosen, you can see this is like the middle green. And then in the other Ultra key we have, obviously I messed around with the settings as well. You can take a look at my numbers that I used there if you pause the video. And then we have a lighter one here. So this was able to get rid of some of the different colors. And you can see now the creature here is much more sort of, you know, it's much more the focus of the video. If we put it up here, and then we used a blending mode here, we put this on, say, difference, you can see then we're going to get like really sharp. And you can actually just sort of start to layer things up here. You can do like another layer. And once you get that, you should be able to get to the point where you've got that this creature is a completely different color from the rest of the scene. Okay, so here we can see I've actually put the creature in front of like a different scene. Obviously I could put this in front of any scene, but I just wanted to look at how we might do that. And you can see like, and you can see what I've got here. You can see I've put the Ultra key here. And what it means is I could potentially change that. You can get slightly different effects with how you blend it with using the Ultra key. All right, so then I could look at then we could go into some of the menu options and we could say, you know, you could start to mess with the transparency. Obviously you don't want to go too far, but you can see you can get to that sort of that spot when it doesn't really start to interfere too much. And then this is when you sort of look at all the other options as well. But tolerance at a certain level as well. So I mean, I had the settings pretty much pretty good originally. And then the other options in Ultra Key, you have this sort of stuff as well. So you can see you can do like make it a little bit clearer like that. Spill suppression as well. This spill suppression I didn't find too useful. And you also have color correction as well in this section as well. So here you could actually, you know, you could maybe blend it a bit more with the background here. So let's see how that might look. So it doesn't seem so out of place then, I guess, if you would do something like that. So there's a lot of different things you can do with Ultra Key. And yeah, it's just a really fun tool to use for green screen. So thanks for watching.